Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So on this video, I want to talk to you guys about the Kikoff account because I think a lot of you guys are using Kikoff wrong. And I want you guys to really change the way you're thinking about Kikoff, and I want you to start using Kikoff correctly. So I got this comment on my YouTube channel here when it was asking, do you have to use the store? Because I was telling you guys about the Kikoff online store because some people didn't even know about the store. And the answer to that is yes, you do have to use the Kikoff store. And that's only if you want them to continue to report a certain amount onto your credit reports. So if you were to go on your Credit Karma account, then you will be able to see if they're still reporting that account for you. So Kikoff is usually reporting on your Equifax and then on your Equifax and your Experian credit reports. But you guys can go and look on credit card usage and see if you can still see them reporting there. Now with my Kikoff, they're still reporting that I'm paying on time, and I don't have any amount there that I owe. So let me actually show you that image so that you guys can understand that you don't necessarily have to pay anything on there. But if you want them to report like a balance or anything like that, then you could. But I just don't see the point of that. So let me actually show you guys a screenshot that I have of my current reporting on my Kikoff account that I can see on my credit reports. So let me actually pull that up now so that you guys can see that I technically just paid it off. So I don't know if they're going to stop reporting, but you can see that they reported a $0 balance. I don't have any late payments. My last payment was July 1st. So let me add that here now so you guys can see. Because this is going to be very, very important before I tell you guys any additional information. So this is my account right here. And if you guys can see, I have this account open for 2.5 years now. And I am not going to start any new payments on it. I'm going to just keep it the way it is now, what I'm going to show you now. And it seems as if they're going to continue to report. Now, I'm going to come back and tell you guys if they're continuing to report, but it seems like they're going to still continue to report. One of these months a year ago had no data. I'm not sure why. In June of 2022, it had no data. I'm not sure why it's like that, but this is the account. And I have the one where it's reporting $500 limit. Some of you guys, when you sign up, you're going to have the $750, and then you're going to see the $2,500 one. But I just don't think that you guys should do the $2,500 one. I think that the $750 one will be fine. And then let me show you like which payment you guys can sign up for. But test this out, okay? So that you guys could, not have to pay too much money. So this is my account right here. They're telling me, hey, download that app. They're telling me to make another purchase so that I can extend my payment history, basically. But I don't think that I have to do that. So I'm going to show you guys the different purchases. They also telling me to renew my loan. I'm not going to renew my loan with them because I just got that just for you guys, just to show you guys how it worked. I didn't get it to build my credit. I got it just to show you guys. And if I get that again, it's going to drop my credit score, and I don't need it because it did drop my credit score last time because I technically did not need that account. But here it is right here where they say make another purchase. So to make another purchase, they're telling me I can pick these different plans, but honestly, I think they're going to still report without it. Seriously. So what I would do if they stop reporting, which I don't think that they're going to do. But what I would do is I would pick one of these plans that's like at 3 months or like a 4-month plan. And that way I would have a very low utilization. Because if I pick a plan like this that's at 12 months, you're paying $5 per month, the utilization is at 8%. And then if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I want to have this number at 5% or below. So I wouldn't pick that plan. But look, if you were to pick one of these plans, like here go right here, Real Estate 101 ebook, you at least get that book too. I like that. Then if you click right here, you can see that utilization is at 1.9%. But again, I do not think that I have to extend it for the payment history. I think that they're going to still report. But they're saying my last payment was technically in July and it is August. So I'm going to have to check August 31st, which is the date that they're going to report, to see if they're going to continue to report. But if I was to have to purchase anything else, which I really don't care about my Kikoff account because I have so many credit cards, I really got this just so I can be able to come in and make videos for you all. If I had to purchase something, I would try to get something with this 3 months payment history. I would go that route because I will always have low utilization compared to some of the people would pick like, they would pick where's this 16-month plan or a 20-month plan because they don't want to keep coming in and paying it. They'll pick one of these plans. But look at the utilization on here. You had 13% when you picking this plan, and I just don't want to pick anything like that. I will want to pick just this, the cheapest one I can get to keep the utilization very, very low. Now, some people are going to pay that $20 a month to them. Y'all don't have to do that. I know they have a lot of ads out there. I just don't think that y'all have to be tricked by these ads. I really don't. And look at that utilization. Continue to purchase. Here it is right here. The utilization is 53% when they're picking it for 20 months. That is really bad. It's like that's not even helping your credit at all. And you can see they had that warning saying the utilization is high. And I'm like, still go back to the purchase. But I do not think that they're going to require me to make any additional payments. But like I said, if I have to go back in and make payments, I will pick one of these accounts here. It's $5 per month for 3 months. Those would be perfect. And then too, if you guys want one of these ebooks, see which one you like. Like I like the budgeting exercises. That's nice. That one is $5 per month. Also, you can see they have some video creation in a day, marketing, advertisement, but that's from 2021. I would try to pick something that will still, pique your interest, something that you would really like. Breaking Bad Habits, sounds really nice too. Student loans exposed, running the mile. I would pick one of these things that's on here and just check the month. So it's at 4 months. That wouldn't be that bad. Some people pick to just get the Kikoff service plan. I would just pick an ebook instead because at least you can have an ebook, something that may help you out in the future, like budgeting exercises and things like that. So definitely check it out. They even have one where you can say like see more. So let's see what else they have to offer. So yeah, easy keto, brand yourself and your business. So they have a lot of ebooks on here. Fix your finances, budget and basics, financial abundance, how to be organized. So it's a lot of things on here that you all can definitely check out. Build your character. You can get these ebooks here. I would just find one that you may like. I will get one of those and then I will just let that report. Now, if they say, hey, we're going to stop reporting, or if you look on your credit reports and see that they actually stop reporting, then I would go back in here and buy something. But if you see that they still reporting, like keep it pushing. Don't just go and buy something just because they're saying that they're going to stop reporting. Because like I said, they tell me to renew at $1 per month. But look, if I click claim the offer, you can see that this is going to actually end on the 13th. Offer applies for the first 5 months of purchases of the 12-month Kikoff service plan. So I'm going to have to pay more. So they kind of tried to trick me. And then I'm going to have a new higher limit, which I really don't care. But again, I'm going to have to still pay $5 per month when I could have just went in there and just paid it if I wanted to extend it. But that's something that you guys are definitely going to have to think about. But just make sure that you're using Kikoff correctly. And like I said, I think that they're going to continue to report to the point where I don't have to extend it. But I'm not totally sure. But if you are going to have to extend it, do not get one of these extended plans right here. Try to get one of these. It's like 3 months, 4 months. A 2 month, that's actually to me the best one. 2 months. I would come in every other month, tell Siri to actually remind you to come back in to update your account in here. And then you just come back in here, update your account. It shouldn't take that long. But hopefully this video was helpful. Let me know if this helped you guys. And if you want Kikoff to report and all, you have to get something from their store for them to even report. You can't just say, hey, just report to the credit bureaus or just give me that $750 line. You have to have something going so that they can actually report initially. So hopefully this video was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.